Hi, and welcome to our presentation of our website, DreamGreen. Our URL is dreamgreen.webuda.com. So first I'm going to show you how to sign up. You would go under the Login tab and you should see something called Sign Up. You would click on it. This is where you would type in your username that you would have, your email, first name, last name, your gender, password confirmation, as well as the CAPTCHA text, which just to see if you're not a bot or a hacker for our website, and you would sign up. Our sign-up process has 3 parts to it. So not only do you have the first part sign up, which will give you an email confirmation, but you will also have to sign up for part 2 and part 3, which is where you would have to go back and re-enter your username and password once again into our system. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to log into something that I've already made before on this website. It already has my password saved, and it reminds me I'm a log. Now, the first thing you should see once you've logged that, you have a status bar just like how you would on Facebook. So if you post something here, friends that you have on this website should be able to see the same thing. If you go under the Your Profile tab, you should be able to edit your profile information, see the friends that you have, as well as send the friend request. Inbox if anyone has sent you any messages and you want to have a continuous ongoing dialogue. And finally, we have your levels and enter activity. This is the input activity page. You should be able to select your username from the drop-down menu below. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose DreamGreen at UGA. You should also see a drop-down menu for your activity. So today I recycled paper. So once you select the activity, you should see your user activity points refresh, and I earned 3 points from this activity. Finally, one of the last things you have to do is select the timestamp. So I had recycled paper on April 21st, 2014. And if you really wanted to, you can also upload an activity photo if you have it uploaded on your computer or you have a link to your photo. You click the Submit button, and it should refresh your points. In order to see the points that you have, you go down to Your Profile, enter activity, and you should see a tab for your points. When you click on it, and then you should be able to see the page for your points. You should be able to select your name from the drop-down menu. So my name is DreamGreen at UGA, and it should refresh your points. So I have a total of 77 points for this website. Next, we're going to look at your badges. If you go down to your profile and click on your badges, so this is a page you would go to see what kind of badges you've earned. So you should see a drop-down menu for the username. So you should click on your username, DreamGreen at UGA, and these are the badges that I've earned, which is Pollution Annihilator and Tree Hugger. If you want to see a little picture of your badges, you'd go to the top menu above here and click on the Badges tab. Finally, the last functionality I want to show you guys is our fact library. So if you go to the menu above and you click on Library, the page that you should see that is loaded up is kind of a list of all the different facts that we have in our library. It'll give you both the fact information as well as the fact initiative. So that could be categorized by air, electricity, recycling, etc. If you really wanted to, you can filter the search. So say I want to filter it by air initiative only. So I would click on air and click the search button, and it'll filter only the facts that are by the initiative air. You can also filter this by any other way, fact name, fact information, if you really wanted to. This concludes the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.